तो मैं आपको प्रोटेक्ट करूंगी. So and there are times when she's panicking.
मुझे नहीं लग रहा है पैनिक करने की जरूरत है. बप्पा है यहाँ पे. Now this
बिल्कुल.
time, this is why we have called Bappa this time, to just shield us, protect us,
Always.
and also give us the wisdom to understand when to panic and when not to panic.
Correct.
Of course, so because this is the first time that the movie said, and the first times are generally, it is special, but also panic काफी ज़्यादा होता है, and a lot of preparation and everything go in. Who is the one among the two of you who is more panicky?
Well, both of us are quite panicky in our own respective spaces, and I think the best part about the fact that we are together is that we balance it out for each other.
Okay.
तो कुछ situations में मैं panic कर जाता हूँ and she takes care of it and she says I'm not allowing you to waste your energy at things that don't require it. तो मैं आपको protect करूँगी. So and there are times when she's panicking.
मुझे नहीं लग रहा है पैनिक करने की जरूरत है. बप्पा है यहाँ पे. Now this
बिल्कुल.
time, this is why we have called Bappa this time, to just shield us, protect us,
Always.
and also give us the wisdom to understand when to panic and when not to panic.
Correct. सबकी सेहत बनाए रखे, सबके घर में खुशियाँ बनी रहें, सबका काम अच्छे से चलता रहे, स्वस्थ रहें सब.
Do you guys also plan to keep up with the tradition now that you've brought the Thailand? हर साल आप लोग are you guys planning to do it here?
Definitely.
Yes.
Now that we
Yes.
have begun and we have started our journey together as husband and wife, and also as facilitators, as
Yeah.
curators at Mukti Manch.
Yeah.
और हमें लगता है कि this is for everyone,
Yeah.
not just our family. I think the bond of family by blood से भी ज़्यादा, कहीं ज़्यादा जो बड़ा गिफ्ट होता है वो होता है जब आप चुनते हो, अपने रिश्ते चुनते हो.
Correct.
तो उनके लिए जिनके माँ बाप यहाँ बॉम्बे में नहीं रहते, जो हमारे साथ हर रोज़ जुड़ते हैं, तो वो हमारी जो फैमिली है, जैसे अभी टीचर्स आ रहे हैं, स्टूडेंट्स आ रहे हैं, so this
So
this
good.
is the love that we want to spread and the joy that we want to give out.
Yeah.
Lastly, given that pollution and environment and the way things are right now, how important do you think getting eco-friendly Ganpati?
बिल्कुल.
Our Ganpati ji is eco-friendly.
eco-friendly.
That is, and also we were very conscious of the fact that he'll be small in size. He will be just enough to bless everyone. वैसे देखा जाए तो ऐसे मूर्ति पूजा और उस पर इतना विश्वास कभी भी नहीं है फैमिली में. और इवन वैल्यू सिस्टम वाइज we are quite spiritual. We also feel the breath practices and other things that we do.
सही बात है.
That has much more meaning. But the meaning of immersion, the meaning of coming back again, the meaning of बहुत सारी चीज़ों का जो हमने गणेश चतुर्थी की जो उसकी जो अहमियत है और उनका यहाँ आना, विराजमान होना, हर एक को ब्लेस करना, ऑल्सो इन द क्लेंजिंग ऑफ द एयर, हवन कितना
Yeah.
ज़रूरी है.
बिल्कुल.
और इन एवरी वे जो औषधि हमने डाली है हवन में,
हाँ.
that also is to spread positivity and also to clean the air, and you can see the greenery around. We are quite planet conscious like that.
बिल्कुल.
Thank you so much, guys. It was lovely talking to you.
Same here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Ganpati
It's a
Bappa
pleasure.
Moria.
Moria!